Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you complete residence project in Revit step by step. So let's begin without wasting much of time. I am going to my one of older project which is done in AutoCAD, and I am going to ground floor. Here you can see the length is 52 feet by 5 inches and 21 feet. So this is a residential. On ground floor there is some parking space and shops with a staircase and rooms. That is 1 BHK flat here, and there is a plot side by side here. On the right side and the left side there is plot, so there is no space for window here, so we can give only ventilation from back side and front side. So, and if you go to this first floor plan here, you can see there is a private residence here, and on the second floor is also it's a residential. So we will design this in completely in Revit step by step. So I will start with ground floor here. So I am going to this ground floor, and we'll draft this in 2D in Revit, and then simultaneously we'll work on 3D modeling also. So I am going to my Revit here, and we will open architectural template by going to this models here, and we'll click this create a Revit model file. We'll click this new, and this will open new project, and after this we'll select architectural template from this folder, and I will click OK. Now we are in our Revit architectural template, and you can call it as a viewport. And by default there are only two levels in Revit, level 1 and level 2. You can rename this also, and this is the site plan. So we are required to create one more levels here, because our is ground plus two floors there is first and second, and also we'll create some plinth level here. So I am going to my elevation mode, and will create some more levels. So you are always required to come in elevation mode if you want to create more levels. So you cannot create levels in this floor plan view, because you can see this is grayed out, and you cannot select this level. So you are always required to come in elevation mode to create these levels. So I am going to select this level here, and now I will select this pick line here, and I am going to create some more levels here. So I am going to select this level 1 here, and I am going to give offset of 2 feet for my plinth level. And now I will select this level 1, and I will click here. So this is level 3 here, and I can rename this as level 1 as a road level here. So we'll mark this 0 feet 0 inch as a road level, or you can mark it as a ground level. And would you like to rename corresponding views? Yes. And now the level 3 I will rename these as plinth level here. Of ground floor, and I will click yes. And now after this I will give this offset of 10 feet. So this is 10 feet here, but from plinth to first floor I want a 10 feet gap, so it will be 12 feet here. So I am going to rename this as a first floor level here, and I will select this height here, and I will make it 12 feet. So you can see this is the first floor level. Now I am going to create second floor level. So I will go to this level, and I will select this pick lines, and I will give offset of 10 feet here. So now I am going to make this as a second floor. This is as 22 feet. We'll mark this as a second floor level. So this is second floor, which is 22 feet. So this is our ground floor level, this is first floor level and second floor, and again I am going to give offset of 10 feet. And this is level 5, this is the floor level, or you can call it as a S. And now I will give a parapet wall here, height is 3 feet. So I am going to again level, and I will select this peak line and I will give offset 3 feet here for parapet, and I will rename this as a parapet wall. So this is just a basic designing of residential project for beginners in Revit, so you can learn from this. And you can also give multi height if you want for a staircase, because there is also a staircase. So I am going to create another level and I will use this peak line, and I will give offset of 8 feet for multi terrace. So I am going to select this third floor because this is terrace, and we'll create a multi level here, multi. So now we have created levels. Now we will start designing, and you can see the renaming is also changed here in floor plans. So now I am going to start with my plinth level, and you can call it as a ground floor also. So I am going to start with this ground floor here. This is 21 feet by 52 feet 5 inches. So I am going to first draw a wall, and that is 9 inches outside wall. So in Revit this is only 8 inches, so we are required to convert this wall into 9 inches. So I'm going to edit these properties of wall, and I'm going to duplicate and rename this as a 9-inch wall. I will click OK, and I will go to edit, and you can change the material from this folder, and I'm going to create a new material for wall, and I will select ivory, any white color for wall, and you can apply OK. And now I will change the thickness from 8 inches to 9 inches. This is important. So we are working in 230 mm wall or 9 inches wall, so I will make it 9 inches and then click OK. OK, and now this is basic wall is 9 inches. So I am going to make this height as a unconnected height as a 10 feet. You can also select level 1 or this first floor level or third floor levels for your designing. So I am going to unconnected height 10 feet, and now I am going to enter value 52 feet 5 inches here, and now after this I will go and mark 21 feet here, and now this is 52 feet 5 inches by 21 feet, and we'll cross verify this. This is 21 feet by 52 feet 5 inches. After this we are required to give inside wall here, and we'll start making kitchen 7 feet by 11 feet and bedroom 12 feet by 11 feet. So I am going to start with kitchen and bedroom. So kitchen is 7 feet, so I am going to select a wall here 5 inches, and I am going to make this 7 feet. So I will first draw a wall here, and I will enter value 11 feet here. Now we'll take the measurement of this. You can use align or this measurement tool here, and you can use wall faces instead of this wall central line. So I'm going to select wall faces, and I will take the measurement from this one end to this end, and this is 6 feet 5 inches. So we are required to move it 7 inches further, make it 7 feet. So I will move this 7 inches, and also use offset tool. So now I will again go to architecture, and I will select 5 inches wall, and I will draw a wall here. And now we'll again measure this. So you can use this tool also, and you can take the measurement. This is 10 feet 9.5 inches. So we will approximately move this 2.5 inches. So I'm going to enter 2.5 inches here, and again you can take the measurement here. This is 11 feet, and remaining will mark as a bedroom here. This is 12 feet 10 inches. So now we will place doors here. So I am going to place a door here. So I am going to place doors. So I am going to architecture, and I will select door here, and for bedrooms I will use this 36 inch by 84 inches, and I will place a door here. And for kitchen also I will use same door. So now our bedroom and kitchen is ready. We will go to next step, and now we can see this toilet area here, and there is a shaft here 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches, and this living area is 11 feet 3 inches by 10 feet 6 inches. So first I am going to start with this 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. So I am going to first make a toilet 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches. So I will start with this wall here, and I will use wall finish face exterior. Sorry, I am going to again I will select this finish face interior, and will start a wall here. So I am going to design approximately. So I will use this as 5 feet 6 inches, 5 feet 6 inches here, and again I will check the drawing here. This is 8 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 6 inches, and there is a store, and there is a shaft. So store is 5 feet 2 inches by 4 feet 2 inches. So I am going to first draw a store here. I will select a wall here, and I will select finish face exterior, and I will make a 5 feet inches wall here. This I will go with 4 feet 2 inches. And now after this you can see there is a shaft 3 feet 5 inches into 2 feet 6 inches. So I will draw this. So this is 2 feet 6 inches, and this is 3 feet 5 inches. Length is this is ground floor. So we'll first draw this wall here 4 feet 2 inches, and I'm going to draw a wall here, and I will bring this to this end, and I will trim this in this one. So you can see this is a store here. This is a store, and there is a door, and one door is towards toilet. So I am going to first check the measurement here, and you can see this is 4 feet 4 inches. So I will move this (10 inches) here, and I will use this trim command. Now you can see this is 5 feet 2 inches, and again we'll go and I will make this 4 feet 2 inches width. So we'll take measurement here again. This is 3 feet 9 inches, so we are required to move it inches. So I will select this wall and I will use move tool here, and I will move it 3 inches further, and we'll trim tool here, and we'll drag this wall also to this end. So this is much faster than AutoCAD. You can see we have made this width 4 feet 2 inches. This is 4 feet, so I will move this further 2 inches here. So now this is 4 feet 2 inches, and after this I will take offset here of this wall 2 feet 6 inches, and I will also add this thickness of the wall. So I will take 2 feet 11 inches offset here for shaft, 2 feet 11 inches, and I will make offset of this wall, and I will drag this wall to this end. So you can see approximately we have created shaft here, this shaft here, and there is one window, and you can call it ventilator, and this is toilet area. So one door is here and one here. So I'm going to place these doors, and I am going to place one door here. So I'm going to architecture, I will go and select this door here, and I will go and select this 30 inches by 84 inches door, because for toilet this is standard, and I will use a space on my keyboard, and I will this one, and you can adjust this door here, and again I'm going to press a space on my keyboard, and you can adjust this door here. You can rotate it in any direction by using space bar on your keyboard. So now we have created toilet and stores, and this is living area. You can see this is the living area. So I'm going to place a door and a wall here. So I will use wall here, and I will draw a approximately wall here. This is I will first extend this wall. So I'm going to use extend single element. So I'm going to select this corner here, and I'm going to select this wall, and you can see this living area is created, and I'm going to place a door here, and I will select this 36 inches by 84 inches. So now this is the living area which we have created here. You can see, and after this there is a staircase, and riser is 6 inches and tread is 10 inches. So I am going to create this staircase here, and there is a parking and shop spaces. So I am going to take this width as 3 feet here, and I am going to count this tread here: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So 18 tread is there. So I am going to start from this end of stores, and we'll take the tread as 10 inches and riser as 6 inches. So I am going to sketch a staircase here. So I am going to architecture and I will select this stair here, and now after this I will select this stair by sketch, and I am going to select riser first here, and you can select this non-monolithic run, and I am going to first draw a riser here, and I am going to enter 3 feet, and you can go to this edit type and you can change the tread here or this one. So I'm going to first offset this as a 10 inch. So I will go to this riser here, and I'm going to offset this as a 10 inches because our tread is 10 inches. So I will select this, offset here 10 inches, and I'm going to mark 1, 2, 3 here and 4. So we will refer the image. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, 6th is landing here, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, 6th is landing. So I'm going to draw another riser here. You can see this is 3 feet, and again I'm going to draw a riser here, and after this you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tread here. So we'll start moving 6 tread. I'm going to again offset, and I will use riser and offset this again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will 1, 2, 3, 4. I will draw a riser again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after this we'll give offset of 3 feet here. So I am going to use boundary here because we need to define boundaries for a staircase. So first we need to draw boundary. So I am going to start a boundary from on this end, and I will go 3 feet, and then I will again come here 3 feet, and now we'll see the image, and you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4 tread here, and this is landing area. So after landing area there is 4 treads. So I am going to first drag this boundary till here, and again I will draw a boundary here, and again I will draw a riser here, and then a riser here, and we'll offset this riser again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll extend this, and then again I will select boundary here, and I will draw a boundary around these stairs, tread and riser. And now this is the sketch, and now I am going to use this stair path. So I am going to select this, and I will use this line, and I am going to define a path from where our stairs will run, and you can select this, So I'm going to finish this sketch and I will select one more time. And our stair is created, and so I am going to select this staircase, and this is assembled staircase, but I will recommend you to use monolithic or precast stair. So I'm going to select this precast stair, and we will delete this railing here. So now our staircase is created, and you can view it in view also, because our 3D is also being created simultaneously. So you can see this is the stair here, and you can use monolithic stair or precast stair. So you can see this is the staircase which we have created just now. So now I am going to select this stair, and I will go to edit type here, and I am going to use this run type nosing, and I will use this 3 dot here. And now I am going to use this underside surface from smooth to stepped. So you can create this kind of stairs like a stepped one, so it will look better. So now we have created this stepped staircase, so it will look nicer in your view. So I am going to again ground floor level, and I will go and create some more spaces in ground floor. And this is staircase, and there is a shop area and parking area. So I will draw another wall here, and I am going to use wall. So I will use finish face exterior, and I will draw a wall here, and I will drag this, and now we'll see the parking area here. This is 10 feet 4 inches by 29 feet 8 inches, so this is quite big. So I'm going to draw a wall here, and I will give this 10 feet 4 inches. So we'll draw a wall here. We'll delete this wall, and I will drag this to this end, and I will trim this off by using this trim command. And you can see this is the parking space which we have created, and this is the shop area here. And you can refer an image again here, and this is shop 9 feet 4 inches, and this is 10 feet 4 inches. So we will take a prox of this. So I am going to select this, and we'll take the measurement here. This is 10 feet 4 inches, so it is okay. And now I am going to place columns into this. So I will go to my architecture tab here, and I am going to use this column, and I will use structure column, but by default this is W shape column. This is steel columns, so we need concrete columns rectangular. So for that you can download from external website, or you can use your family. So I am going to load family here, and I am going to my this English Imperial structure column, and then concrete column, and you will use this concrete rectangular column. So I'm going to select this, and you should be careful while placing column. So now this is our column, and you can see this the column setting. This is I have selected height here. If you select depth, it will go beneath the ground surface, so you have to be careful. So you are required to select height, and then you are required to mark first floor level here. And you can see by default this is 9 feet, but if you select this first floor, you can easily place column into your plan. And then again this is 12 by 18 inches column, so it is bigger according to structure. So I am going to change the dimension of this column. So I will create a duplicate here, and I am going to change this width to 9 inches and depth is okay. So I'm going to click OK here, and you can save the project to any folder. And now we will place this column, and now I am going to place column here, and you can see as per this drawing there is a column on all corners of the kitchen and bedroom and living area and this toilet area and then staircase. So I am going to place accordingly. So I will start from this kitchen end. I will place one column here, and I will move this. Then I will start copying this column here, and I will copy one column here to this end, and then I will copy one column to this end. So, and I will mark one column here, and I will move this. And then I will copy this column here also, and I will move this. You can adjust as per your structural drawing. You can move this door slightly. So now this is one column, and now I am going to place one column here. I will drag this to this end, and now we will place one column here, and then one column here, and the next column is here. So I will move this. This wall, and I will move this to this wall here, and I will move this door here and this door little so you can view these columns. So now we are approximately place the column as per drawing this, and there are more columns, 1 2 3 columns here. So I am going to place as per my experience. So I am going to copy this column here, one column here, one column to this end, and I will move this again. You can see, and you can learn. So if you will be experienced, you can do faster, and you can do 3D work also simultaneously. And I'm going to place one column here and one column in between you can place, and you can move this columns. You can use control on your keyboard, and you can move this. So now we have placed this column, and I will place one more column here. So now we are almost done, and now I am going to see this plan, and you can see there is a shop here and columns is placed, but these columns are in black color, and you can change this in Revit also. So I am going to change the settings, and I'm going to select this column here, and you can go to edit type, and you can go to this setting here in properties, and you will come down here. You can see this material and finishes. This is concrete column, so I'm going to select material and finishes, and I will go to this concrete, and I will change the graphics here, and you can change the graphics. This is curved pattern, that is plan view, and this pattern is concrete. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to use this solid fill. I will click OK and apply. So we have changed this column to black solid color. So likewise, if you want to change any other color also, you can use this. And for wall, you can change the settings from visibility graphics. You will type VZ, and you can change the setting of the walls also. So you can go to this visibility graphics, and you can go to these walls, and you can go to this cut pattern view, and you will select this pattern, click over this, and you can override with any pattern here. So if you want to solid fill, you can use this black, and if you want to use this wall, this settings here, diagonal up a small, or you can use masonry brick. So I'm going to use masonry brick. I will click OK, apply, OK, and you can see I have changed the masonry brick setting also. So likewise, you can work. So we'll go to next stage here, and I am going to first this ground floor here, and you can see this is almost done, and this is the shutter area also. This is open for timing, and this is the ramp which I have created for parking. So this is very small space and small road width as per bylaws. So I'm going to draw a ramp here and some steps here. So for this, we have to define plinth, and plinth is 2 feet. So I'm first going to draw a floor here. So if you go to your 3D view, you can see these are the columns which we have marked here and placed, and this is the shop area, and this is the parking area. So I am going to my this, and I am going to trim this wall, and this is the opening, and I will put a shutter door here. So first I am going to draw a floor here, and I am going to my floor, and I am going to edit this 12 inches floor, and I will duplicate this, and I will go to make it as a plinth, and I am going to structure edit, and I will change the thickness to 2 feet, and I am going to structure material by category, and I am going to create a new material, and I am going to give stone material finish to this floor, and I am going to flooring, and I will use any stone material here, and I will click apply, OK, 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 and now I am going to draw a floor here from road level. So we have created floor, and now I will go to my 3D view, and you can see I have created plinth for this shops and this parking area. So now I am going to create steps and ramp for this. So I am going to my plinth level here, and now I am going to draw a section line here, and I will view this building. Click this, and you can section line, and I am going to draw a plinth here. So I will mark some annotation here. I will draw a wall here just to demark this, and I am going to double click this. This is the area. On this side you are required to make a ramp. So I am going to use this component and model in place, and I am going to use this generic model here, and will create a ramp using generic model, and I will rename this as ramp, small ramp here, just to slide the car parking. And I'm going to use extrusion, and I will pick a plane, and I'm going to select this floor here, and I'm going to draw a ramp here, and we'll go to 3 feet here, and I will draw a ramp like this, and I'm going to change the material here of this extrusion, and I'm going to create a new material, and I will go to this asset browser, and I will type concrete here, and I will use any concrete material, apply, OK, and I will finish this. And now we'll check this in our 3D view. So we have to make some adjustment in ramp, and you can see this is to this area. So I will select this ramp, and I will drag this to this corner because this is onto parking area, and I will, you can see the realistic view here, and you can see this is the ramp which we have created, and rooms with along with parking area. And now I am going to create some steps for this shop. So I am going to plinth level here, and I will go to create a plinth from steps from this road level. So I will draw some steps here. So I am going to my stairs, and I will use this precast stair, and I will use stairs by sketch, and I will use riser here, and I will draw steps, some steps here, and you can keep offset here, and now I am going to draw a boundary here, and you can also draw one riser here, and you can draw a boundary this end. And now you will use this stair path, and I'm going to define a stair path here. I will finish this, and you can see this is down, so we have to flip this staircase, because I'm going to first change this to precast stairs only. And if you go to view, you can see this staircase is into opposite direction, so it's not correct. So I am going to road level, I will select this stair, and you will use this arrow, flip stairs up direction. I will select this, and now you can see this down arrow is changed. And if you go to your 3D view, we have created steps. If you want to remove this railing, you can remove this, or if you want to keep, you can keep this railing also. So I am going to remove these railings. So now we have almost created this ground floor, and now after this I will go to this plinth level, and I am going to copy this all to first floor, and can also place windows. So I am going to first place a window for kitchen. So I am going to architecture and go to window, and I will use these default settings for windows. So I am going to use this 48 inch by 60 inches for this bedroom window, and I will place a window here, and I will place same window. You can change the width and length. So this is just for teaching you how you will work in Revit. And the front side is open, and I will place a garage door here in the shop. So for this I will go and download a garage door here. So I am going to my Google here, Google, and I'll show you how you can put a garage door here. So we'll go to this default close this. There are many folders. So I am going to my Google Chrome, and I am going to garage door Revit. So I will download from Revit City garage door that will be used for our shop, and I will use contemporary flat panel garage door, and you can use any of this. So I will use garage opening roller door here, and I will use this door in my project, and I'm going to sign in. And I will download this garage door, and this garage door is downloaded, and now I will directly drag and drop into my project, and we'll see it's getting upgraded. And now I will place one garage door here, and we'll see in 3D view how it looks. So this is garage door opening roller door, and I'm going to my view tab here, and you can see this is the garage door. I will select this, and I will make this as 0, and I will go to edit type, and I will change this height to 8 feet here. I will click apply, OK, and now we are done. So now this is ground floor modeling is almost ready, and I am going to my plinth level here, and now we will copy all this to our first floor. So I will select everything here, and now I will go and select this copy to clipboard, and I will use filter first because we need not want to copy everything on first floor. So I will use this filter. This is very handy. So I need doors to first floor, and I don't need floors here, and I will use generic model. I don't need generic models, and I don't need these railings here. Railings, top rail, stairs path, stairs also I don't need, and stair runs also, and I need structural columns, and walls and windows I need, and doors also I need to first floor. I will go and apply, OK, and now I will use this copy to clipboard, and I will paste, and I will go to align to selected levels, and I will use first floor level, and I will copy everything to second floor level also. So now we'll check this 3D view, and you can see this everything is copied to first and second floor also. So but I will work only till first floor, and second floor there is some changes. It is typical according to first floor, so we will copy first floor, and then again we move to second floor. So I am going to again plinth level, and I will again show you. I will select everything, and you can press Ctrl, and you can select this one, and now I am going to filter, and I will copy doors. I will remove floors, generic models. I will remove railings, stairs path, and stairs also, stairs runs, and I will maintain this structural column and walls and windows. I will apply OK, and now I will go to copy to clipboard and I will paste align to selected levels, and I will select first floor level only because first floor level we need to make some changes. So on first floor it is complete residence. So I'm going to my 3D view and you can see this first floor is copied and window is also copied, and the staircase is running till first floor, so no need to copy staircase. I'm going to remove this garage. So now we'll work on first floor now, and before that I am going to create a roof level for this. So I am going to my plinth level here and I am going to create a roof. So I will go to this roof command here and I will select roof by footprint, and I will uncheck this because I don't want to define slopes. I don't need my slope to be sloped. It is flat roof. So I am going to select this basic roof 12 inches. You can select any roof, generic 9 inches. And I'm going to edit type and I will duplicate this and I will rename this as a 6 inches RCC roof here, and I will click OK, and I will go to structure, edit, and you can change the material here, and I'm going to create a new material for roof, and I will open asset browser and I will apply any texture here for time being, and you can apply OK, and I will change the thickness to 6 inches or 150 mm because that is a standard for RCC slab. OK, and now I will create a roof here for this, and I am going to create a rectangular roof, and I will make a roof here. So now this is the roof, and first floor backside there is a balcony, so I will extend this to 3 feet, and front I need some design like pergola, so I will extend this till here, and I am going to make some design here, and I will give some openings. So I will edit this roof and I will copy everything. I will select this one and I will copy to other side also. So this is just for aesthetic purpose. So I'm going to give 2 feet 6 inches on every opening. Can use this 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6 inches, 2 feet 6 inches, and so on. So I will give one more time here. So, and now I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to attach this to wall, and we'll see in view. So this is at ground floor. So I will select this roof and I will move this to first floor here, first floor level roof, and you can see this is attached to first floor. So you can work like this, and now we'll change this first floor design as for this drawing, and we'll make some adjustment. And there is balcony, but I am giving pergola. I am changing this, so you can see this. There is bedroom, so I am going to create this typical. This is typical here till here, and can create a shaft here also. This is 5 feet by 2 feet 6 inches, and there is a staircase opening here, and you can see there is a door for this flat area. This is 2 bedrooms flat, and there is 1 bedroom on the back side. So the client demand was like that, so I'm going to first create a staircase area here. So I will use wall here. So I'm going to my first floor level here, and you can see this is not visible, this staircase, so we are required to create opening. I am going to select and I'm going to edit this footprint, and I am going to create an opening here for this staircase, and I will attach this highlighted wall to roof, and you can see this roof opening is created. So now I am going to extend this wall till here, and you can adjust this, and now I am going to create a door opening here. So you can see in the drawing, so there is no opening of door here, so there is no store area. So I'm going to delete this store area from this one, and it is only toilet area, and I'm going to trim this. So one more important thing, you can see this ground floor plan here in this half tone. So if you want to view your ground floor plan also, you can in Revit you can view very easily. So for this, if you want to view your ground floor, and suppose if you are working on second floor and you want to view your first floor plan, so you can go to this properties here, and if you go further down here, you can see this option underlay. I have made one tutorial onto this. So this is range base level, this is road level, so we are seeing road level. So I am going to create none. So you will see these all lines are disappeared. So suppose if you want to view your ground floor, that is plinth level plan, so you can select this plinth level and can easily view your ground floor plan here. So after working, you can remove this range base level and you can make it to none. So all your down below plans will disappear. So it is very handy in Revit. So I want to view my plinth level plan, so I will apply this, so it will be easy for us to work here. So now this is our toilet area, and this is the dining area, and now I will go to again this first floor area, and now we have this created this wall, and this is the drawing area, and this bedroom is 14 feet by 10 feet 5 inches. So, and this is the 11 feet 5 inches by 9 feet 4 inches from this column end. So I'm going to first create 11 feet 5 inches bedroom by 9 feet 4 inches. So I am going to create 11 feet 5 inches offset here. So I will use this wall, and I will select a 5 inches wall here, and I will go and create a 9 feet so I will take the measurement from this end to this wall. This is 13 feet 6 inches. So we are required to make 11 feet 5 inches, and there is a toilet area in the shaft. So I am going to make 11 feet 5 inches. So I am going to move this further here, and you can take this measurement. This is 10 feet 11 inches. So I am going to move this 6 inches from this end. So this is 6 inches. So now we can take the measurement. I am going to annotate tab, and I am going to align. You can see this is 11 feet 5 inches. So I am going to remove this pergola here. So I will go with this plan only. default plan, so it will avoid any confusion. So I'm going to edit footprint, and I will select all these openings here, and I will delete this, and I will go with balcony only, because this will create confusion among you. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to attach this, so you can save your project. I don't want to save. So now we are required to create bathroom for this. This is the bedroom which we have created, and now I'm going to my first floor plan, and this is bedroom toilet area, and now I am going to create a 5 feet 11 and 5 feet 9 inches bathroom here. So I will give a wall here, and I will give first door here, and I am going to give door here. So I am going to architecture, and I will go to door, and I will place a door here, and now I will create a bathroom wall here. So I will go to wall, and I will place a wall here. So this is the bathroom area, and now we are required to create a shaft here. So that shaft I will give it 2 feet by 2 inches. So I will give it approximately here. So I will go and make a 2 feet 5 inches. I will enter. So this will be shaft opening, and you can take the measurement here, because I have counted wall thickness also, and it is 2 feet here. So this shaft opening is okay, and now I'm going to place door for this toilet, and you can place door here. This is the door. So I am going to place a door, and I will select this door, and I will go to 30 inches by 84 inches, and I will place a door here like this. So this room is getting ready, and you will see here, this is the open area. There is no door, so this is open, and you can see one bedroom is created on top of this. This is 14 feet this length and width. So I'm going to give offset here 14 feet. So I will extend this wall till this end, and I will go and give this offset of 14 feet. This is 9 inches wall, but I will give this offset 14 feet, and I will tell you how we can get to 5 inches wall. So I'm going to give 14 feet 9 inches offset. Now I will drag this wall till here, till this end, and I will convert this to 5 inches wall, turn it 5 inches, and now we'll take the measurement of this. This is 14 feet 2 inches, so I will move this further here 2 inches. So this is 14 feet bedroom. You can check the measurement again. This is 14 feet. So now I am going to place a door for this. If you go to your first floor plan, there is a door, and I will place a door here, and there is door to this staircase. So I am going to place doors, and I will select this 36 inches by 84 inches, and I will place a door here. I will use a space on my keyboard, and place a door here, and I will place a door here, and I will trim this wall like this, and this half tone line is for of your ground floor plan. In the overlay setting you can adjust this. So now this is one bedroom and this is one bedroom and this is the hall area. And now I am going to create railing for this. So I will go to my first floor plan and you can see there is a railing 3 feet wide balcony. So we will adjust this to 3 feet only. So this is 5 feet 1 inches. So I want to make it 3 feet. I will edit this and I will make this I will change this to 3 feet here. So this is 3 feet and I'm going to finish this, attach and go an element. So now I am going to create a railing here. So I am going to my architecture tab and I am going to railing and I will use sketch path here and I will use glass panel bottom fill and I am going to draw my railing here. I will start from this end to this end and this end to this end. So this is the railing shape, glass panel, and I'm going to finish this. And this is the railing which we have created and we'll see the railing setting later on. So this is doors from these 2 bedrooms. So I'm going to place a door here. So I'm going to place door. I will go to architecture, door, and I will use 30 inches by 84 inches for my balcony. I will place one door here. Use a space keyboard on your laptop or computer to adjust the door rotation. I'm pressing space on my keyboard and I will place one more door here. So now this is the basic layout of the first floor and I have placed one window here and I am going to place windows here. So I'm going to first floor plan. You can see there is bigger windows here. So I am going to place windows here. So you can download from internet and you can adjust this setting. So I'm going to edit type and I will duplicate this and I'm going to make this as a 5 feet window. I will use 5 feet only and I'm going to change the width to 5 feet and height to 5 feet and OK and apply this. And I'm going to apply a 5 feet window here and a 5 feet window here. So this is the just approximate. And now I will go to underlay here and I will change this range base level from plinth level to none so that we can see this plan in much better way. So now we have used our plinth level to create our this first floor plan, or we can use ground floor or plinth level. So that is same here. So I am going to my 3D view and you can see this is the first floor plan which we have created and it is looking much more better. And so this is the process of working in Revit and it will save a lot of time. So because you are working in plan view also and 3D view also, and simultaneously you can see your elevation view also, and you can see your front elevation, side elevations. So you can see this is the elevation which you are creating. So from AutoCAD to Revit, and Revit is a BIM software, so this is much more advanced than AutoCAD. So now I will use this because on both sides there is a plot, so I cannot place windows here, and you can place one shaft for this lighting. So you can see this setting here. First floor there is a shaft here, and you can see one more shaft opening onto your dining area 10 feet from this wall. It is little inside there is, you can see dining area 10 feet 5 inches. So I will create a cross shaft 5 feet 2 inches by 2 feet 6 inches. So I'm going to create a shaft opening here. So I'm going to place a shaft opening here, and can use wall here. So can use a shaft opening, and you can adjust this to inside also. So I will move this further inside, and I will adjust approximately because we are running short of time. So I will drag this inside, and I will adjust this shaft here. So like in plan, so it will give some sufficient spaces for this area and this area. So we can take the measurement here. This is 5 feet and this is 2 feet 5 inches. So I will move this another 2 inches. So now this is the shaft which we have created. You can place some windows here. So I am going to place some windows. Any size you can place, and you can place, so it will give ventilation from this both living area. And you can place one shaft here also, and you can do it for your ground floor also if I have not placed shaft here for ventilation. So likewise you can do this. And now it is time to place furnitures here. So I am going to create a kitchen slab here and beds for this and toilet area. So I am going to create a kitchen slab here. So I will go to my floor here, and I will use generic 12 inches. I will go to edit type, and I will duplicate this, and I will rename this as a kitchen slab here. And I will go to edit type, and I will go to change the material of this kitchen. I will create a new material, and I will go to asset browser, and I will search for granite for my kitchen top. So this is just basic, and I am going to use this granite multicolor. Double click this, and I will apply OK, and I will change the thickness of this kitchen slab to 4 inches. I can use 3 inches also. And now I am going to draw kitchen slab, and I will give height offset, and from floor level I want my kitchen to be 2 feet 9 inches above. So I am going to draw a kitchen, and I want slab to be 2 feet wide, and I will draw a 2 feet line here. I will draw a 2 feet line and use offset also to give this 2 feet offset of this slab. And you can do this, and you can draw a line here. So this is the kitchen slab, and now I am going to place beds as per plan. So you can download any beds from internet, or you can use default Revit beds. So I am going to place beds here, and there are 3 bedrooms, so all are in one direction. So I am going to insert, and I am going to load family, and I will go to English Imperial, and then I will go to furniture here, and I will use this bed, and I will use bed box here. So I am going to place a simple bed, and I am going to my architecture component and place a component, and you can see this bed here which is queen size bed. So I am going to convert to king size. I will create a duplicate of this and I am going to make a king size bed. I'll click OK, and I am going to change the width of this bed to 6 feet and length to 6 feet 6 inches, and I will click OK. And now we can place beds here. So I'm going to this bed, one bed here and one bed here. So this is the bed which we have created here. I can move this and place it here. So you can see these all are ready, and now you can further refer your plans. And there is one dining for this area, and there is soft, and you can place toilet and washing machine, no need. And this is the bathing space. So I am going to place a one dining here, dining table. So I am going to place dining here, and I will go to my insert tab here, and I'm going to load family, and I will go to furniture again, and I will go for tables here, and I will look for dining area here. So you can use table, conference table, dining. So I will use this one singular oval shape, and I will go to architecture, place a component, and you can place your dining table here, and you can place some chairs here. So this is 6-seater. So I'm going to again insert tab here, and you can go family, and I'm going to furniture again, and I'm going to sitting, and I will use any chair here, small chair. So I will use this chair for my dining area, and I will go to architecture, component, and place a component. And I will place one chair here, and I will place, so you can use a space or on your keyboard, so adjust the rotation of this chair. So now we have placed dining table here, and now I am going to place WC. So if you refer the image again, you can see this WC onto back wall, and there is a wash basin and bathing space. So I am going to place WC and wash basin just to make you understand. So I am going to insert tab again, and I am going to load family, and I will go to English Imperial, and will go for plumbing here. And in plumbing you will select architectural, and you will go to select this fixtures, and now you will select water closet, and this is toilet domestic 3D, and you can see some default domestic 2D. So we are working in 3D, so I will select this 3D here. I will click open, and now I will go to architecture, component, place a component, and I will place one WC here, and I am going to place a wash basin here, and I will use a larger space, and because this is looking smaller wash basin and washing machine area as per client's demand, but I am leaving this. So I will place a wash basin. So I will go to my insert tab, and I will go to load family, and I will go to fixtures, and now we'll use this drinking fountains and sinks. We'll go to sinks, and I'm going to use this sink vanity, round or square you can use, and I will go to architecture, component, place a component, and you can use from floor level. I want to fit 9 inches, and you can use component, place a component, and you can make this 0 here because this is attached automatically. So I'm going to place one wash basin here. So likewise you can place other fixtures here. You can give some bathing space here. So I am going to place a bathtub here. So I am going to my Revit city here, and I will look for bathtub here. I will search for bathtub, and I am going to download any bathtub here, and I will download this bathtub, and you can directly drag and drop this, and you can save it to your library first. And now I am going to place a bathtub here, bathing space. Likewise you can use this Revit for your architectural modeling and designing. So you can place some other WC and wash basin in other area also. So now the next thing is that we need to do texting. So suppose I will show you one example. So this is first floor here, and I am going to make a bedroom for this. A text here 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet. So now I am going to show you how to write this text. So I am going to this text command here, and I will write this. This is bigger in size, so I am going to first write this bedroom. I will use caps lock here. Bedroom 12 feet 0 inches by 13 feet 0 inches. So we will adjust like this, and now you can change the text height. I am going to edit type, and I will duplicate this text, and you will go to this text font here. You can change the font from Arial to any other things, and this is the text size. This is 1 by 4 inches, so I am going to reduce this 1 by 12 inches. I will click enter, and it will automatically figure the value. I will click OK, and I am going to select this text again, and I will convert to this 1 by 4 inches Arial 2, and you can see the text size is changed, and it also depends on the scale. So likewise you can change the texting of any other things. First we'll write the dimension 12 feet 9 inches by 13 feet. So this is 12 feet 9 inches. And now likewise you can write the kitchen area also, and I'm going to first floor. So kitchen is 7 feet 0 inches by 11 feet. So I am going to copy this text, and I will show you. Kitchen, and change this to 11 feet, and you can make this as a 7 feet here. 7 feet 0 inches. So likewise you can write the text, and you can rotate this also if you want. It will be easy to see the plans here. So likewise you will do remaining text and place the furniture. So I will go to my this image here again, and we have almost created first floor, and we can also write the text of shaft and other areas, stairs, and you can also copy these all things, and I'm going to select everything here, and I'm going to use this copy here, and I'm not going to filter. I'm going to paste to second floor. So I will use I will go to my second floor here, And now I will use Ctrl V on my keyboard, then you will see your image here of first floor, you can see. And likewise, this is the second floor we are copying, and this is the first floor. So I am going to match this dash line with this dash line, so you have to be little careful. And I'm going to place this, and this is the second floor which we have placed, and I'm going to paste it here. So now this is the second floor, and we'll see in 3D view. And you can see this is the second floor here which we have copied, and this is looking much better. And now I will copy this slab here. I will use copy to clipboard, and I will paste, align to selected level. And now I will go to third floor level, paste it, and you can see it is pasted from second floor to third floor. And we will place stairs to second floor also. So I am going to copy this stair also. I will use copy, and I will paste to second floor level also, and from second to third also you can use, and you can paste to third floor level also. So now we have almost created this, and this is no need of this staircase. So this is just for Mumty, and you can see we have created this Mumty also. So now this is ground floor first, and in the second floor there is some changes in the plan, and we'll see. And we'll go to second floor, and you can see this is the 2-bedroom, and the rest will live like this. And there is a kitchen area here in this. I will leave this, and I'm going to make changes on second floor. So I will remove kitchen, and this is bedroom, 11 feet 9 feet 10 inches. So I'm going to create a bedroom 11 feet by 9 feet 10 inches. This is the wall which is at this column end. So I'm going to just show you how we can change on second floor. And I'm going to shift this bedroom. So I am going to move this wall here, and I will move this bedroom. And now I will show you this is 10 feet. I am going to annotate aligned, and I will take measurement here. This is 9 feet 4 inches. So I am going to delete these doors. So I am going to move this to 8 inches here. And I'm going to remove this slab here, and can take the measurement here. This is 9 feet 10 inches, and it is almost as per plan. And you can see there is a door from this end inside of this bedroom. So I'm going to place a door. Architecture, I am going to place a door here. So likewise you can place, and you can see this is the second floor, and this is the kitchen area is outside. So you can create kitchen area by using my methods, and you can place a sink and this range from external websites like Revit City. You can download any 3D model and can paste it here. So this is just for beginning, and you can write the text. So I am leaving this shelf here like this, and this is the basic layout which we have created on the second floor. So you can see, and likewise you can create railing also on this side also. So I am going to my railing, and I will create a glass railing here also. You can use this pick line to pick this railing. and you can use this line method and this line method here. So I'm going to finish this, and likewise you can create this second floor plan also. And if you go to your 3D view, you can see this is the second floor plan. Now the next thing is that I will show you how to create parapet wall. So this is the level on third floor level. So I'm going to my third floor level and I'll select this third floor level, and now I will create a parapet here, and I'm going to select wall here, and I will go and select 6 inches wall here, and I will create parapet wall, and I will give parapet height to 3 feet just for basic understanding. And I am going to draw a wall. So this is from center line. I'm going to use finish face exterior, and we'll draw a parapet wall. A 3 feet parapet wall here, and you can change the material setting from structure edit, and you can change the material to any other material of your choice. So I am going to apply any material to this, so it will be easy just to render this. I'm going to apply OK. Now if you go to your 3D view, you can see this is the parapet wall which we have created here. And now I'm going to create Mumty for this stair. So I'm going to my third floor level here, and I'm going to my wall, and I will use my 9 inches wall here, and I will create a Mumty of 8 feet height, and I'm going to create a Mumty around this. You can make any designs. And I will move this inside to this stairs width. You can adjust this. And now I'm going to remove this parapet from this stair part, and I will create a cut, and I will trim this, and I will trim this off, and I will delete this parapet from this end. So now I am going to create a wall here. This will be for Mumty, and I am going to trim this off here. So now this is the wall for Mumty, and I am going to place a door here, and this will be 3 feet door. So I am going to place a 3 feet door. You can use a space on your keyboard, and you can adjust the directions. So like this. So now we'll go to your 3D view again. You can see we have placed Mumty here, and now I am going to create roof for our Mumty. So I will go to my third floor level again, and I will go to roof by footprint, and I will create basic RCC roof, and I'm going to use this rectangle command, and you can create a roof here, and you can give this offset of 8 feet from third floor level. I'll click apply. OK, you can attach this roof, and we'll see in 3D view, and this is placed perfectly on this Mumty. So likewise you can work onto this project, and you can practice Revit easily, and you can also create roads by using floor method. I use floor method to create roads. So I will show you. I am going to my road level here, and I will use this floor here, and I will use floor architectural, and I will go to any generic 12 inches floor, and I will go to edit type. I will create a duplicate of this floor, and I will rename this as a road. And now I will click OK, and I'm going to structure. I'll make 1 inches road level here, and in structure I will go to material by category, and I will go and create a new material, and I will go to asset browser then, and I will search for road here, and I will use site word, and I will use asphalt weight aggregate high, and I will use this as my material. And now we have created 1 inch road, and I will give offset 1 inch from road level so that it will be easy us to view the road. So now I am going to create a road here. You can take to any size, and you can place a road as per your design. You can make any offset to this road, and suppose this is a 20 feet wide road. I will give 20 feet offset, and you can also drag this to any length, and I'm going to finish this. And if you go to your view tab, you can see this is the road, and likewise you can place cars and any other trees and plants. So I will show you how you can place trees around. So I am going to my road level here, and I will go to architecture, and you can place trees by going to place a component, and you can find some default trees here like American 20 feet, 15 feet, blueberry elder. So you can place trees as per your plan, and you can see this in your 3D view. So if you go to your view and view tab, you can see this are the trees. So I will create some more floors for you to better understand in bedroom areas and this floor area. So I am going to my ground floor, that is plinth level, and I will show you how to create floors around this staircase and this parking area, and simultaneously you can create for your remaining areas also. So I'm going to my architecture tab, and I will select floor again, and you can select this floor road only, and you can go to edit type, and you can duplicate this, and I am going to create a parking floor, and I will go to structure, edit, and I will go to material, default new material, and I am going to create a new material, and I am going to create asset browser, and I will search for tile here. You can place any furniture from outside also. I have made tutorial onto this. I'm going to flooring and appearance library. I will go for flooring, and I will select this ceramic wood pattern. I will select this material, you can see, and I will go and apply this. Okay, and now I'm going to create a floor of 1 inch from plinth level, and I will use line command, and I will create a floor pattern here. And I am going to finish this, and if you go to your realistic mode here, you can see this flooring here which is placed, and you can present it to client like this, and there is no need of Photoshop. If you want to present in Revit this kind of planning, you can present it, and you can see in 3D view also, and you can see this flooring. So likewise you can create flooring for your bedroom and any other areas, and you can do some basic modeling, and you can copy this railing to this first floor also you can use, and you can adjust this railing. It is visible outside, so I'm going to select this railing and I'm going to use this offset from path, and I'm going to make this 2 inches, and I'm going to apply. You can see it's gone 2 inches further down to this slab, and I'm going to copy this railing and I'm going to paste line to selected level, and I'm going to paste it on first floor level 2, and it is pasted to first floor level. So this is the back side view and this is the front side view. So likewise you can create some designing like pergolas on to this. So I am going to create some pergola. So I am going to my third floor level here, and I am going to create some designing here, or you can place some pergola from outside also. So I will show you how you can go search pergola. So you can search pergola here, and you can place this kind of pergolas, anything as per your design, and you can use it in your project. So I will show you how you can place this. I'm going to download this. So I will download this pergola. So I am going to directly drag and drop to my project. I can save to any folder. So we can place this pergola here. You can place some furniture and settings. So likewise, you can use external website also, and you can create. And I'm going to do some settings here, and this is, you can change the material also, and you can pergola length, and you can adjust the height is very less. So I'm going to make it 8 feet, and I'm going to apply this. So this is 8 feet pergola. So likewise you can extend this roof also. You can create any pergola designs also. So this will take time. So this is for just for beginners who want to learn Revit modeling along with your plan. So it will save a lot of time, and you can see the elevations view also here in this side elevation, north side elevation, and you can see it has saved a lot of time comparing to AutoCAD. You can see this, and you can take these prints. And now in the next tutorial I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So I hope you have liked my tutorial. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.